Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Kesorkar Jylla uba AL Hek habakran jekilat bathai kubor mentagat sing khandai tarik ujellio 8,000 abusan halor ka jingsha kenno Kiba yang hasem ki paralok jong uraja Raghuvanshi ya ki bor pulit ka Jylla Meghalaya uloong ba menta ka jingsha kala pau perthai bat ki jing kenno bat ki jingsha Kynthoh ka sorkar bat ki briu bat ki pulit ka Jylla Meghalaya da ki yang hasem ki paralok parajor jong uraja Raghuvanshi ki long ki baklemdon la kenno ya kanong rim shu uloong ba hapo nyosngi lala ban kemno ya ki badon kti bat po nyosngi ki bor pulit kilapan isisha ya kata ka jing tre shitom ka jongki uba hek ula ai ka jing khublei she ki bor pulit ka Meghalaya bakila tre shitom ting ban pendep ya ka kamram ula ban rapru da ka baong bahap ban Ujor ijahar Pyrshah ki brio ki bawan ra ka jing penjab buram ya ka Jylla bat kenno klem nong rim ya ki jet ban rio ka Meghalaya hi barok away.
The truth has come out, already came out, and also it has been surfacing. So all these days, the family of Raja Rajbangshi, their friends, their brothers, and their whole family, they are blaming the police of Meghalaya, they are blaming the government of Meghalaya, and particularly, is a very shameful, blaming the people of Meghalaya.
So now our police is doing well done.
Our police they have done the excellent job. Within 7 days, they have already nabbed the culprit, and within 7 days, they have shown their capability. I really bravo the Meghalaya police, which they have done the best to nab the culprit, which has been there for the last 1 week.
Okay. Now his girl's father now also blaming to Meghalaya government. So what you say regarding that?
I told you also before. Also, I told you we should file the defamation case against these people who are maligning the image of the state of Meghalaya, are maligning the image of the people of Meghalaya. We have to file the defamation case against them.